we're going to do a little field trial with the Eurosystem RTT3. One of the problems when you're rototilling, obviously, is the buildup of material. And why the RTT3 is one of the better machines on the market, because it allows you to quickly clear up, which is inevitable. You're going to get this. See how quickly this is cleaning up, because it's kind of designed, first of all, to spin backwards a little bit, but also the end piece right here, where my hand is open and allows you to take out large amounts of grass and other stalks and stuff that are wrapped around the rototiller. See this open area here. The other thing that helps you clear this up quickly is there are these little cups along the drive assembly here, and that helps prevent buildup and tightening of the grass. So this is a lot less downtime, and I'm just picking the last of the and more work time. So I'm just getting it completely cleared out. But I mean, all of this was caught in there. That is a lot that just came out of there. Alright, one of the reasons why the Eurosystem rear-tine rototillers is a superior product. Well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.